Stir-fried Shu Fun or Rat Tail Noodles is very smooth and tasty. It easily absorbs a lot of the sauce and has the perfect texture when enjoyed with minced meat. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of Shu Fun or a Rat Tail Noodles, 100 ml of water, 3 stalks of spring onions cut into 1.5 inch in length, 210 grams of minced pork, any minced meat will do, 230 grams of bean sprout, clean, 45 grams of lapchong, skin removed and cut into thin slices, 2 red chilli cut to strips, 3 tablespoons of onion oil, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients and the recipe for onion oil and fried shallots are in the see more link. First, marinate the meat. Sprinkle half of the salt over the meat and rub until combined. Flip to the other side and repeat with the rest of the salt. Alright, all done. Set it aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of onion oil and wait for the oil to get hot. Spread the oil around the pan. Add all the lapchong and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Give it a few stir to heat it up and incorporate the lapchong flavor into the oil. After 2 minutes, the lapchong is cooked and there is a lovely fragrance. Remove from the pan and set aside. With some oil residue left in the pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of onion oil and all the minced meat to the pan. Stir continuously to spread it around the pan for about 30 seconds or until it has changed the color to gray. Then add half teaspoon of thick soy sauce. This gives a nice even brown color to the meat. Stir until well combined, pressing it down to break any lumps of the minced meat. Cook the minced meat for another 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 3 minutes, switch off the heat. Remove the minced meat from the pan and set aside. Put the pan back on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add the rest of the onion oil and wait for the oil to heat up. When the oil is bubbling from the minced meat residue, pour in all the Shu Fun into the pan and stir until it is fully coated with the oil. Add 100 ml of water, all the sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, thick soy sauce. Stir until the seasoning and Shu Fun are evenly distributed. Add all the spring onion stem, the cut chillies, stir to mix. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 7 minutes. Make sure to stir in between to rotate the seasoning and cook the Shu Fun evenly. After 7 minutes, the Shu Fun has absorbed the seasoning and are evenly colored. It has also absorbed a lot of water and has become quite dry. This is great. It's almost done. Add the lapchong, minced meat, and bean sprout. Stir for about 30 seconds or until all the ingredients are well combined. The bean sprout will be slightly softened from the residual heat. Let's give it a taste. Wow! Very yummy. The taste is balanced with sweetness, saltiness, and savouriness in the noodles. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is perfect. Add all the spring onion and half of the crispy fried shallots. Give it a few stirs until the fragrance is released. And our stir-fried Shu Fun is ready to be dished out and served. Garnish with the rest of the crispy fried shallots. I recommend enjoy it immediately once cooked. Let's eat! Super delicious. The lo Shu Fun is very smooth, chewy, and tasty from the seasoning. The bean sprouts are just cooked and still crunchy, while the minced meat and lapchung gives savory flavor in every bite. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!